What's going on? How you guys doing out there? Before watching this video, if you guys can hit that subscribe button, please. Just tap it, look out for me, you know what I'm saying? I could be watching a movie right now or playing some kind of video game, but I decided to do this for you guys. So hook it up, man, like I hook you guys up. Thank you. First search of the day is from North Carolina to Virginia area. So let's check out let's do that too. And yeah, let's do let me see, give me a second. Give me Mid Atlantic. Let's check that. That's towards the area too. Alright, Greensboro. I put down 44,000 pounds on it. Somebody was telling me I usually don't talk about the weight. But I mean, I usually don't because I mean it's really important. But that's up to you guys to decide because some of you guys like to haul 45,000 or whatever or anything higher. But 44,000 and under, of course, is what I like to do. But if I get anything 30,000, I do it too. You know what I'm saying? But 44,000 is probably the highest I like to go. Anything after that, you just gotta make sure, just be careful or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So, first search is Greensboro to those locations. I put down $2 a mile. And I didn't check while driving is already there. So, alright, there you go. Check it out. Check it out. Not that bad. I mean, the one to Laurel, Maryland is not a bad one. It's actually pretty good. Maryland is a good area to get freight going back. So, oh wow. Okay, Super King. So, literally, they got a couple of those lows there. But yeah, man, look, see what's up. This is a good one there. The Chesapeake, Virginia, 316 miles, 900 hours. It's not that bad. Not that bad. Let me see. Yeah, down here you get a little bit bad. All right, I checked one more for him. He want to check a different. He gave me 3 different ones, but can't really do them all. I got a lot of people I gotta take care of. Greensboro. Let's check. Let's check Charlotte. Charlotte. Yeah. Come on, keypad. Got these fat fingers. All right. Charlotte, North Carolina, 44,000 pounds. All right, let's get that search. They are all right. I mean, they're not that bad. I mean, but that one's bad right there. $2.16. $2.16 a mile. That's a pretty bad one there, but I mean, some of them is alright. Some of them is okay, I mean, it all depends where you want to go. It all depends when it's delivering. You see that one, Petersburg, say pick up on the 6th, deliver on the 9th. That's something you don't want to do. You make no money on that load. You lose money on that load. But so I mean, sometimes you gotta expand your area where you want to go to get better freight or whatever, you know what I'm saying? All right, next search is Stockton. Yeah, whatever you guys need, I try to help you guys out best as I can. Just give me, send me a shot, comments or whatever, and let me know what's going on. And you want to check flatbed and step deck. So I'm gonna keep van there. I'm gonna be a flatbed, and I'm gonna check step deck. Let's see. Let's see what it's looking like. A lot of loads. Wow. I thought I saw a good one right there, but no, it wasn't. Yeah, a lot of lows, but the rates don't look that good. These are looking a little bit better there. San Jose to Twin Falls, Idaho. Not a bad one. What else we got? What else we got? Yeah, I mean it looks so. It looks so and so. Uh, 1,800 miles for 600. 600. $1,800 for 600 miles. I mean, you know, it's not that bad. I mean, some areas are just, you know, some areas where you guys pick up these loads from. I mean, it all depends where you at. You know, that's where you going. That's where you gonna know where you gonna get that money at. That's why it's good to do these searches that I'm doing to just show you guys the area where you guys are at. You know, but you know, a lot of places down west they're not that good. You know, compared to the East Coast. You know what I'm saying? Let's clear that out. Next search is Atlanta. I haven't done Atlanta in a while. So let's do Atlanta. Want to check teams, so let's click out. Let's and okay, that's done. Teams. Let's see what team lows pop up. Wow, only 3 lows. Wow, 3 lows, and I mean they ain't paying no. I mean you're gonna be making, I think, like about $1.90 a mile around there. Uh, damn, that's it. I thought they had more lows around there than that. Damn. Let me see sign. Let me see sign, because that's 3 searches. That's nothing. I mean, let me see what else we got. Let's put 200 miles radius or something. Wow. Damn, that sucks. Let's clear the board out. Let's see what's in all the states. Let's see the best ones out there. Damn. Oh, that's going to Alaska. Give me a second. Damn, what's up with these rates here? All right, this is a little much better. All right, this is just, I know it's not Atlanta, Georgia, but at least you can see where some of the freight's coming from. You see stuff going to Florida. There's always stuff going to Florida with teams. That first one is a good load. $4,300, man. 7,000 pounds. That's a good load. You're gonna save a lot of money in fuel. And scroll down real quick. Not that bad. Got some good ones here and there. I usually don't see a lot of team drivers. I see a lot of, you know, solo drivers or whatever. But there might be a good thing or a bad thing, you know. You know, maybe not a lot of people are either, you know, and you guys remember these lows that's on the board. These are lows that, you know, regular people that's dedicated, you know, already, you know, they already got loads. You know what I'm saying? So these loads get posted on the board just for, you know, other people that's not like on dedicated accounts and stuff like that. So it's not. I mean, people say it's the crumbs or whatever, but I mean, some of these loads be paying okay. It's just stuff that, you know, a lot of these agencies they can't cover with the drivers that they already have on board. So they just put on the low board, and you know that's what it is. But what I'm trying to say is there's probably more teams lows in Atlanta, Georgia, but you just got to do a more thorough check on it just to see it. You know what I'm saying? I got one more search, and I got one more search. Let me see. Last search is this, because can you check? Okay. Man, why is it not coming up? Hold up, give me a second, Kansas. Give me a second. I think it's this one right here. I forgot you can't write city on it. You gotta write, just leave it a CY or whatever. He put 300 miles radius. going anywhere. So let's see what's going on. Let me see what I'm gonna do. Team no. Let's see. Going anywhere. Let's put down. Let's do that, and let's put down. Let's put 250 a mile. I'm not sure if anybody watched basketball yesterday with USA versus Turkey. Close game, man. But USA, came and won. But it was a close game though. Good game though. Good game. Sorry guys. Maybe next time. All right, this is the these are the lows around here. There you go. There you go. I scroll down a little bit. I'll probably scroll down to the bottom so you guys can see it. I know a lot of guys be asking to get lows coming back here and there, but if I do that, these videos will take a little bit longer. So I mean, you can always send me an email or something. I could tell you, I could try to send you some screenshots if I'm not busy, but I've been busy. I got a lot of stuff, some style stuff going on here. So I'm just trying to do my best to help you guys out. Man, that's not bad. I would definitely do that logo in the Philadelphia. I would definitely do that logo in the Philadelphia. That's a good logo. Let's check. Well, let's do this one right here. Let's see it back. Give me a second. Let's go here. So going to Philly, you could do that low, pick up the 4th, deliver in a 6. And then from there, it's just a whole lot of stuff going back out probably, Going to Mass, going to Georgia. Damn, look at that. New Hampshire. See, but you go to New Hampshire, you ain't gonna get nothing coming back. If it is, it's gonna be crappy. That's why I don't go up that north. But I mean, I'll go to Connecticut. It's not that far, but that's not that bad. Kearney, New Jersey. Oh, but look at the deadhead miles. Whew. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's not worth it. King of Prussia to Middleborough, Mass. Yeah, I probably want to do that one. Let's see what we got. And a lot of stuff going to Mass from Philly. I don't know. I don't know if I would do that Hampton, Virginia, going to Charlotte. The only reason I say I like it because it's 8,000 pounds, so it's not that bad. It's not gonna hurt you that bad, but just not a bad. I will go down south just to grab something coming back up north. Hey, one more thing. Somebody was asking me, can you survive out here in the wintertime? And I told them, it all depends where you at, because if you run up in the East Coast, a lot of people, they go down south in the wintertime, because they don't want to run up there when it's snowing. But, East Coast that's where the money's at, you know what I'm saying? That's where the money's at. So, hey, come out here. Come out here and play with the snow with me. If you ain't afraid, come get that money. But, hey, man, that's it for today. Maybe I'll do something tomorrow. I got a couple more people I got to do. So, I'm going to try to get it done tomorrow. It was Sam and more. It was like 6 more people. Sam and Jake. No, not Jake. Sam and Jennifer. I'll get you guys tomorrow. And there were some more people that I just can't think about right now. But hey, just thanks a lot for watching the video. And you guys be safe. Thank you.